Hello, and welcome to the second in a series of tutorials introducing you to the Local History and Archives catalog. Today, we'll take a quick look at the library section of our catalog and demonstrate a few search tips. Here you will find information on the books we hold in the archives, including family histories, local history, and much more. Some of our books are quite rare, old, or fragile. So please keep in mind that these books do not circulate like the books out in the main library. They can be used in the Local History and Archives room, but cannot be checked out. So let's start our search. Say we want to find some genealogy books. Almost 4,000 books come up. And let's say I only want to see ones that show the book cover. So we'll click this box here and click search again, or hit enter. That gets us down to 332 results. Remember, you can change the number of results you see on each page by scrolling down and choosing a different option here at the bottom. I'm going to pick 50, just because. So 332 results is still a lot to scroll through, right? So let's narrow it down a bit. You can use the word "and" to add another search term. So let's add African Americans. That gets us down to 25. That's pretty good. But let's say I want to look at Iredell County also. Down to 7. So you'll notice that I put quotation marks around these last two search terms. I did that so that it will search for those words together instead of separately. More on that later. So let's take this one, for example, down here. North Carolina slaves and free persons of color. If you click on that title, you will see more information about the book. You'll see a summary here. And if you want us to pull the book for you, you're going to want to make note of the object ID, which is this number right here, which will help us pinpoint the location of the book for you. All right, we're going to stop here for now. Join me next time for a look at another section of our online catalog and more search tips. Stay tuned.